What's going on YouTube? Geo here. Today I'm doing a seal system repair on this little small ULN refrigerator. Real little small unit. Let me see. That's the model and serial number. And basically this one had a leak in the seal system. So now I have to replace the compressor assembly and the cold plate, which is right here. Real small unit, but it's got the built-in door on it. Nothing else fits in its space, and customer definitely rather repair. Alright, you can see what's going on with the schematic there. So today we're going to replace the compressor assembly. That's going to be new, and the cold plate with the heat exchanger. We got the dryer filter and some other stuff over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this done. It's gonna be running like new. I gotta be pretty quick over here because I got a lot more job lined up for today. So unfortunately I will not be able to hold and record while I get this done. I'm gonna have to wrap it up quickly, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna take another video and show you guys. You can see how the back look. So once I'm done, I can show you guys how the final process looks. Alright. Hit up that like, share, subscribe button while you guys at it. Thank you guys for watching. Look out for the next video. Alright, so I'm back. I'm just taking a quick video of this seal system I just completed on this little mini ULN refrigerator. I just got it back in. Getting it all charged up. You can see how everything looks. Got a filter. We got everything in. And unit is cooling. You can see white gauge. Low side about 0. And everything looks good. Let's take a look inside. That's the new cold plate. Let's start getting nice and icy already. Alright, another one done. Hit up that like, share, subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.